Sir, after few minutes we will start. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mokshita Verma, final year student of Mechanical Engineering Department, SSI PMT Raipur. Take this privilege to welcome our visionary head of department, Dr. Naveen Jain sir, coordinator, Mr. Akash Soni sir, faculty members of the department, our dignitary guest speaker, Mr. Sagar Andani sir, and all the budding technocrats present with us in this wonderful day. It is our holy tradition to worship Goddess Saraswati before any significant event. So let's dedicate a prayer to Ma Saraswati. For that, I would like our technical team to share their screen. The Department of Mechanical Engineering, SSIPMT Raipur, to continue with its commitment of providing best platform for collaborative and experiential learning to the students, is organizing a series of alumni talk so that the students can benefit themselves with the knowledge, wisdom, and expertise of our well-positioned alumni. Dear listeners, certainly we all have an affection for automobiles. Don't you feel so? During our childhood time, we were deeply fond of toys, a major part of them comprising of cars, bikes, trains, and now, as we grown up as mechanical engineers, we have an opportunity to transform that affection into a career. To provide a know-how about this promising automobile sector, we are pleased to have among us an ardent mechanical engineer, Mr. Sagar Andani sir. Sir, we welcome you to this session. Mr. Sagar sir has a long list of achievements to his credit in a still young career. Sagar sir was a bright and meritorious student right from the very beginning. He secured 519th of rank in PT exam, thereby making his entry in leading technical of institute at the region. Our very own SSIPMT Raipur. Sir completed his engineering degree in mechanical with flying colors, securing a CPI of 9.13. Sagar sir secured a remarkable 856 of All India GATE ranking to pursue MTech from prestigious IIT Kanpur. Sagar sir deservingly made into the renowned Hyundai India Private Limited, Chennai, after which he is currently associated with automobile giant Ford Motors Private Limited as a senior product development engineer in the happening city of Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Sir, we all are set and eager to listen to you. So over to you, Sagar sir.
Yeah, thanks, Mokshita, like for a brief introduction of mine, and thank you from MEA coordinators teams for inviting me to this to guide our juniors on this thing. Especially thanks to all the SIPMT faculties because of them I am here, and I want to give back to them like what I have, so like my juniors can learn what we can do to achieve our targets. First of all, I will share my presentation what I have made to guide our juniors what we can do or we can suggest to achieve our targets. One second. Please feel free to ask me anything because I'm like your brother only or big brother, whatever feel. I am from mechanical. I hope you are know we are from mechanical, and don't be afraid to ask anything. Be very frank. I'm guide you only. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you know this one car. This is Mustang. So this is one of the prestigious car of Ford Motor India. So in electric form also in future. Just I will go in the brief introduction, like the topic which I will cover today, because I want to cover both related to gate and how we want to enter into the automotive sector, as well as related to placements, how we should focus
Excuse
in
me,
our
sir.
placement so to achieve our targets. Yeah,
Excuse me, sir. Sir, your
yeah,
presentation is not
yeah,
visible, sir. Can you please reshare it, sir?
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, one second, one second. Now can you see?
No, sir, it's still lagging from my side.
Sir, your presentation is please, sir.
One second. Team, can you see us? Whether it is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
now
sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. So we'll start. So I was saying, like, this one of the
Yes, sir.
prestigious car of Ford, like this Ford Mustang, and even I like this car very much. This is one of my dream car. So continue to the topics like which I will cover. What I told, like it is related to gate and placement, and then how we can enter into automobile sector and preparation to that. Just Mokshita has given the brief introduction of mine, so I will skipping this and I will focus on other topics which I want to cover. And later on in the last, we have feedback and query sections. So coming to the gate preparation tips, I hope like many of you are preparing on the gate for qualification as well as for achieving the good ranks. Just I want to cover on that things because I think it is very important, as well as these higher studies are very good opportunities to get a good promotion in automobile companies. So that's why I'm focusing on these things also, because it is very important. So first of all, like I want to highlight one by one points, because then only you will be able to understand like what I mean to say. So initially I want to focus like whatever we are studying now, every subject has an important topics, so we should focus on the basics of every chapters, and we should focus on the topic wise priority, because the gate is a competitive exam. So the marks, like the topics which are particular to priority, we should give that importance, like rather going for all chapter. So whatever topics are important, make a sequence preparation for you. So maybe based on the recent gate papers, you can see the what are the chapters are important, and you can make as a plan. The plan is important for achieving the target. So please prepare one plan and make on it like whatever you want to do. So planning is very important, and as a gate competitor, you should be able to make it habit making formula copy. So daily you have to make the formula copy. Whatever you're learning, just you write the formulas in your diary, and every day you have to revise once or twice, like early morning or before night sleeping. So you should learn it every day, because these are the things. And one of the things I want to focus, because so if you are doing the things daily, like you have to do the practice of all the questions, numerical questions, or derivation questions are coming. So you have to focus in all the things now only, rather than going in the last 1 month and studying hard at that time. You have to focus, you have to take full time now only. In later point of time, you should focus on the formulas only which you have made the diary. So for manufacturing, I am focusing on IS objective questions because many are there. So you on the yes, the subjective papers coming like conventional, you can evaluation object question. You can make one separate copy. It's important part of the examination. Mathematics learning is very easy. You can speak very well. Aptitude questions will you can vocabulary you want to properly focus every like you have to learn, you have to read the papers, novels, like basics only. So then only you can improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary cannot be done in the last day. And try to before exams, you can take some rest. Just focus on the formula copies what you have made and revise that thing only rather than solve questions in the time to avoid confidence loss on that. So be prepared now only. Whatever you want to do now only, you have to start rather than focusing on. And in the last, I have mentioned things. So I want to like hard what to matters. So be focusing as a working smart and as well as working in what topics which really matter for GATE. So make the plan and ready. Later point of time, you can solve the series questions. You can whatever weakness there, you can focus now only, and you can it. And try to this is a online exams, so you focus how to solve the questions by brain or by the calculator. Do this now only. So it will be like confidence for you doing some paper solving. So try to do the question within some you can some target like 30 seconds, 60 seconds. If it is up to us, by we can. So by practicing on these things will come in you. So automatically get as sooner. We have it is competitive exam. Even point we are rank. Point one, point
Sir?
one, 2 marks also we are losing the rank.
सर
Yeah,
सर योर वॉइस इज लैगिंग
yeah. Can you hear me? Hello.
सर आपकी वॉइस बहुत लैग हो रही है
Okay. 1 second. My screen is visible, right?
यस सर
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hello. Now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So whatever I told, it was clear now. Can I go to next slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Team, can you hear me? Okay. So latter point of time, like after GATE, just I want to make it clear, like because there are things are coming, like how we should by this rank, how much we can go, how much we can target. Generally we are seeing that within 500 rank, like the air rank, within 500 we can get the PSU easily. Just we have to focus on the interview things that is very important. So there are some criteria. I thought I should update you, like which are the branches we should go for it. Depending on the rank, you can apply for PSU. If you have the good rank, like within 500, within 200, you can go for all the apply. You can apply in all the PSUs. For I'm talking about general category, OBC, STSC. There is different rank category. Maybe it can extend till 600 or 1000 rank also. So just you have to apply it and try your best. Whatever you can do, try your best, and you can focus on the correlated branches in MTech, like in all the old IITs as well as in top 3 NITs, that is Trichy, Surathkal, and Warangal. So that top 3 NITs also you can focus on the mechanical core courses, because we can learn many things from that particular branches. Remaining in one of the branches which I am highlighting in IIT Kanpur, that is Industrial Management Engineering. So this is one of the good branch. You can focus on it by getting some good score in mechanical, and this is because this is related to it will come in machine learning, data science. So these things you will learn in this industrial and engineering in IIT Kanpur. The good who in go in. So generally even I have given this exam, but I was not selected. But this is one of the good branches which I want to highlight because it is related to designing things and how related to drawing. Like they will tell you to make some 3D model drawing in front of them during interview interview questions. So you can focus on this thing. In I forgot to mention this MS courses. So Master in Research courses also one of the important courses which you can go. There will be some because why am I focusing on Master of Research? Because you will be able to sit in the placement with all the MTech students also, and on the ranks less, like maybe if you raising some 1500 rank also, you will able to sit with the BTech competitors and all the other things, and it is one of the good branches which I am focusing because the studies are same only. Just the duration of the course will be 2.5 years, as in MTech we have 2 years, and in management it is NITI Bombay. Like so this is one of the best courses which I'm focusing. Is like industrial engineering, and this is in management. So through it examination in selection method, one is direct through gates. If you receive directly. Second criteria, like in are you will after shortlist will be then for then you selection list. So there is the weightage of 70 and interview 30%. So it depends on course to course it is, but you should focus on it. In the last I mentioned, like be positive, give your best effort, whatever I try to help for you the examination or whatever job doing, because this is one of the skills you should know now only. Is it okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we are with you.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir, we are
coming
with
to
you.
placement
Everything is
preparation, this
going
is
fine, sir.
related to BTech. Thanks. So coming to placement preparation, it is related to BTech and MTech. What are you doing after BTech? To do go for placement, that is good. After MTech also, that is also good. So you can focus on these things. I thought I should update on these things also for practicing. So just I have mentioned the book's name and try to practice these things now only before 1 year. These things are very important, related to aptitude, logical reasoning. This coming in company will be there, which things then
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, you are lagging, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir, you are lagging, sir. You are lagging.
Now it okay?
Yeah, now it's okay, sir.
Okay, now okay. Yeah, some issue is there in it. Sorry for that. Yeah, so what I was telling, like you should focus on the things which I mentioned, like in these books also, and what you're doing now, that is so good. Just focus on the things like how you can solve. You can solve the papers online. So practice is very important now only. Resume, that is one of the important sections which you should focus, because you should make like one-page resume, focusing like technical and non-technical. Focus different resume, like if you are applying for core companies, you should go for technical resume. If you are focusing for IT sector or finance sector, you should focus in other non-technical resume. So difference is like you in technical, you are focusing on the projects, like technical projects, what you are doing right now in BTech, like major or industrial visits which you are doing right now. In non-technical, I'm focusing on the extracurricular activities related to besides technical, what you have done related to that company. Like if you've done any courses in programming or any other things, you can mention and you can highlight that thing. Because the HR or the recruiter will see what you have done in your resume. He will shortlist the resume based on that only, and further it will go for interview round. So you should be very clear which companies you are focusing, and how you want to achieve your skills based on that company background. coming to automobile sector, so this is one of the good sectors I'm focusing, because you can see there are multiple car companies, and there are different brands related to that car companies. Even in that OES, there are different suppliers, like vendors are there who are supplying the parts to these OEMs. And beside this, there are different sectors. As a mechanical engineer, I think it is one of the best and one of the good alternative for you to go in this sector and learn many things. So even the government is focusing on these things. They are they are focusing on all the automobile sector, because it's one of the part of GDP, as you all know. Now they are focusing on the electric vehicles also. You definitely know, like governments are making some taxation, like a reduction in the electric vehicles, as well as the Tesla is coming to the India for this electric vehicle. Upcoming, there are many automobiles which are focusing on these electric vehicles, like Tata Motors. Already they have many like Ioniq, and planning for models. Ford also planning for this Mustang and Mach-E. So at these things, after joining automobile sectors, additional benefits which I want to focus. Besides salary, you will get these additional things like festival bonus, the car sale bonus will be there. There will be separate higher study sponsorship courses will be there. So the company will pay all for all the courses, and you will get salary also. And it will be like 30% of the salary, and you will be like you will be able to study in higher courses in foreign nations also. It depends on the type of courses you want to do. Rather than that, we have free breakfast, and almost lunch is almost free. So these things are totally free in automobile companies. As well as there is medical insurance, that is it will cover the self also, and total for family also, like including the parents. In addition to that, we have like purchase benefit scheme, like the card purchase benefit scheme. Like you will get some discounts are there in different automobile companies, like based on the experience, and based on the vehicle programs, like so that is also free for employees. Like you will get 10 to 20% discount. So it will be like fully savings for you. Many savings are there in additional to pay scale whatever you will get in your hand. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we are with you. You are going seamlessly.
Yes, sir.
And one of our R&D sector I want to focus, because it is one of the good branches. What I can say, it is one of the best section, because it is related to design, and it is related to research work, and you will learn many things in there. Like, so coming to next section. So what is the selection criteria in automobile sector? So what I face in Hyundai during my MTech campus time, I am writing here that things. So what I done during there was a written test. It was generally what I mentioned, like the things which I have mentioned previously, like that only they asked. One additional thing was this psychometric test. So just they will give, you might be knowing that there are symbols they will give, and you want to identify by logic, like what is right, what is wrong. So many technical will come, thermal and strength of material. Basic questions will come, which you are learning right now. Not that thing like very tough questions, but just number of questions will be higher. Like it was 200 questions, so you want to solve as soon as possible within 60 minutes, like within 1 hour, 200 questions. So that the speed is very important. So that's why I'm focusing on the speed. After that, there will be like shortlisting round. Then it will go for group discussion. There will be general topics, whatever you are. It will be recent topics. If it is related to now, like it will be like the COVID cases, how it is impacting Indian economy, or some basic general topics will be there, which you should focus. So this group discussion will come on the basis of like how you can improve in these things, because you can go through general topics by reading newspapers, because generally we are interacting in English only. So you should focus on the newspapers, and you can go through every topics. Like you should have some background related to that in your mind. So every day, just daily read the newspapers. So it will be good for you to how to discuss with each other, and how to make the positive impact on the technical or HR person. So one of the important things focus now only. Coming to round 3. So round 3, it will be totally technical, and in technical, it depends on you how you are playing with that person. So placement is related to how we are playing with that person. In strong and person, will ask a question and then you will be telling, I don't know, or it may come like your confidence may get somewhat. So you are mentioning in your may it should be strong. You will ask your result. If you may you are, then you should in that even that just and that top resume us only whatever he will ask only. If we are on the in that just mention that project so he will focus on that only and he will ask question on that thing only. So I have done it one of lithium. So he was because I am focusing on things because I was knowing that he will ask on this thing, so I was focusing on that only. So and he asked the same thing only, like what is the project and what you are doing on this thing. So basically and if you want, then only you can explain him very well, like what you want to focus like. So I told him like working on things and I want to do any reduction, like how, because this in future the electric vehicles will come, so we are focusing on the discharge and charging capacity of the lithium ion battery. So how we are playing, you should be very well knowing of it. So make some total like in background, in backup, you can make some detailed plan. Like if he is asking this thing, what I can tell. If he is asking this thing, what I can tell. So this is one of technical interview. So this is the main interview. I think HR interview, it will be simple only, but just should have some confidence. Like you can talk in front of your mirror. Like if he will ask you some basic question about yourself, then how you will able to make this company profitable. Some basic questions he will ask. Just somewhat you can prepare in different sites are there. You can go through it. Some basic questions you can just do some before sections. So it will be good for you. Like if you are facing during HR round, it will be easily you can crack it. So regarding the location, he will ask you whether you are able to relocate. So small things he will ask. But I don't think there will be many major things in HR. Main is technical only. So you should. 4 days I received the call from Hyundai. Like you have got selected on this, so it feels good, like after getting the HR call. Team, can you hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so technical interviews preparation, just I thought I should update, like they will ask on basic things only, like in related to summer trainings and in industrial visits things, and basic questions what you have done in written test, like machine design, theory of machines, heat and mass transfer, like bending moment diagram. Some basic questions he will ask related to IC engines, like there are different stroke, like combustion, expansion, suction, compression. So he will ask basic questions and formula related to that thing. Just have a background on that thing, and different processes are like adiabatic, thermal, so isothermal process. So some basic questions he will ask, and depend on that only he will judge you. And before going for that company, just have some background on that company is like what recent technologies that company is going to launch, or that company is working on. Just have some background on that thing before sitting for that technical interview, because he might ask what you know about this company and why you want these things will come during that time. Remaining, I have mentioned some in below, like areas of domain, like you can focus as a extracurricular activities, because these things will come during your after joining the automobile sector. Before that also, it will be good for you to highlight these things in your resume, and you can focus on this thing now only, because it will be helpful for you in your job time. So robotics, this is one of the important courses. The team is focusing, because there are in automobile companies, many things are automation only, like even small things are done by robots only. So you should be knowing that deep things in the robotic part, like if they're asking you on this thing, then it will be easy for you to correlate, and you can answer it very well. Coming to data science and machine learning, so this is one of the important sectors which is growing now, and in future I think it will be like more than 70%. It will be like machine learning and data analytics courses things only. So you should focus not only on this thing because there are many vacancies are coming on this in automobiles also and in other sectors also. Just focus on these things. It will be good. Related to design, like you can focus on the basic softwares like AutoCAD, CATIA, MATLAB, and there are other softwares which after joining the company they will teach you. But these things, this basic software you should know because seeing the 3D model, like the engine, it will be easy for us to correlate the things like what we need to do. Coming to Six Sigmas, this is one of the important parameter we should know now only because this is one of the process improvement things in automobile companies. They will focus on this thing, like how we can optimize the cost and how we can improve the process and variation in that particular component. Just focus on that things. It will be good for you. Related to internship, you can do internship one of the OEM companies or related to that vendor companies. Just to highlight, like you are interested to work in that core background, so it will be good for you if you are joining one of the OEM companies, and maybe you might get an TPO offer during internship time only. Team, can you hear me right?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
coming to what I have done till now, my job role, and just I want to highlight the departments there and there in different, like at Hyundai Motor India and Ford Motor India. Generally, the departments are same only, just they are changing the name based on their culture. So there are different sections, like you can see there is production, sales and marketing, R&D or product development. So there are different sections. Before that, I think I should focus on one video because that is important to understand these things also for you. One second. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm playing the video, in between I will explain you what are the, like from to we are getting each car what UPS like time. So we're getting this one car in like 60 seconds. Like it will be like one car. Like so different in different like 60-second or 54-second one car it is getting out. So just say the videos from how it is going from raw material to finished car. So there are different sections I will. So this is the Chennai plant which you are seeing in the screen. Can you see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the engine shop. Like you can see, there are different engines are there related to diesel and petrol variant. So in Hyundai, there are three engine shops are there. One is for Eon and that thing. Second is for middle segment, and third is for SUV segment. So there are before engine assembly, there will be like different machining sections will be there, like head, crank, block. So all the things will come in engine assembly, and this engine shop, their final assembly will be there. Just I will highlight. So you can see there is the blue person is this is apprentice. So there are in Hyundai there are three like categories like apprentice, diploma holders, and then technician will be there who is the permanent. There are permanent employees in Hyundai. So they are giving one station, like one specific station. They are handling one specific station and they have the skills. So one person will be dealing with one station, and he know very well like how to do the things very well. So properly within one, we have cycle time, like cycle time monitoring. So within 1 minute it should be we have to do the assembly. So each part have their different specific station, and they are doing the assembly there. So this you can see how they're keeping in all the engines in one pallet area. So it is fully automatic. So one robot is there who will pick the engine, final engine, and he will put in this pallet, this storage area, and from there it will go for delivery to assembly plant. So this is like press shop. So we are getting one sheet material, and then they are pressing it properly. Like they are giving the shape, a design to that thing. So based on the models, there is program set code is there, and the sheet metal is going to the body shop. So you can see the panels are there, like car panels are there here. So it will be collected and it will go to body shop, then it will go to paint shop. So I will show in further videos. And safety is very important in all the activities which a team has to follow, like wearing the gloves and the safety helmet if it is required, if it is height work. So everything's are important doing in working related to particular field. So you can see here riveting is happening, and we are fixing the joints. So before going to paint shop, everything should be okay. They are doing the 3D scanning. So if there is any crack or anything we can damage is there, so we can take this rejected part in a different pallet. So there is a rejection backup pallet is available here. So while scanning, if there is any issue in that body will be taken out. So this is the paint shop. So this is the paint shop area where the different colors based on the model variants, and it is automatically program has been set up. The server is there, and the everything has been done by automation only. Just we have to monitor it. Before going to assembly plant, there is one final operator inspection is there where he will see the any paint, there is any quality issue is there or any damage is there. So he will mark that thing, and if manually he can improve it, it is okay. If it is not able to improve, then he will put in that rejection pallet. So you can see this is the assembly shop from in where this is the final shop where we get the engines, and all the operators are standing in line wise, and based on the work applied, like if you want to fix the wire, so there is different station. So there are different station, and there is a gun available. You can see. So directly he will go with that gun, and he can fix the assembly parts there. So this when you can see the you can see this is the movable pallet. Okay, so that this is the movable pallet, and base these cars are coming in this pallet, and every 1 minute this we need to complete the task. So if there is any issue, then he can tell to the main in charge or leader working there. So every stations have their persons, and this in based on that we have some timings. So in that timings he need to complete that task. So the operator should be very skilled person who is operating there. So before that, there are the main trainings that has been given to this person while working on the shop floor. So the cars are ready, and there are professional drivers available who will do the inspection of this each every car. Like if there is any issue in the pickup or any noise is coming in this car by vibration, so everything they'll monitor properly. If there is an issue, it will go to back to some rejection yard, and they will monitor again what is the issue. If it is all okay, then they will put this in this CKD yard. One area is there. I will focus later. Yeah. So this is the CKD yard. So before all the testing they will do, if all okay, then they'll put this here, keep as a storage capacity. So they have backup based on the demand and that things. So based on the, it will go to different locations of India, like dealer wise location, demand and that things. So there are different trucks are available already. The vendor trucks are available, which Hyundai has already taken. So based on that, the cars will be given to that batch, that delivery will be done to that particular dealer. Like if it is related to Gujarat, then how many days it will take. So proper, there is a different team, like demand analysis team, it will be there. So they will focus on this demand and delivery to particular location and dealers. So beside this, Hyundai is doing many social activities. Like there are different schools are there where Hyundai teachers, like their persons are teaching there. There is driving school which teaches the employee, and as well as the villagers. The nearby villagers are there because this plant is in outer area. So Hyundai is taking care of that particular areas, and even they are doing the social reforms, reworks. So that is good for the particular for India economy, and it is very helpful for all the. It is like a social work which they are doing. Just I focus on the Hyundai. Similarly, there is Ford also same thing only. So I don't want to go in that because the process are same only. I just want to show you the process. So we should focus on the process. So coming to my slide. So what I told, like there are different shops, and initially during training time they will teach you all the shops, like what is going in which plant, and how from raw material to finishing they will train you in everything. After that they will give you particular sections, like if you want to go in engine shop, press shop, body shop. So there are you have to select one shop. In that there are different departments: production, manufacturing, engineering, maintenance, quality, supply chain, logistic, plant safety. So based on your interest, like what you want to select, you can suggest, or they can also give you the branch. So just coming to production, so production they will focus on the R&R roles and responsibilities, like what they will give you, because they are focusing on the output, like because the target, they have some target, like UPH, units per hour. So they want to achieve that thing. They want to do daily monitoring if any issue is there. So if any issue, then there are different customers. If they can solve within themselves, that is okay. If they're not able to solve, they will come to manufacturing team or maintenance team or quality team. Manufacturing engineering, so I have worked in this sector. This is one of the good sectors department, because we are able to learn with the different in machines as well as in the part at component level. So you will so production, we are like a internal customer to production. If any issue is in production, they will come to manufacturing, like I am facing this issue, please can you discuss with supplier. So sometimes manufacturing team will discuss with supplier, like these issues are coming in the machine, how to solve them. If there is if the part is getting aged, so we will focus on the improvement activities, like how these things can be improved to get proper part quality during the production. So and coming to maintenance, so maintenance department, this is one of the good departments. You will learn many technical things here, during, but these things will be done during breakdown, like if there is no production in plant, or if there is in during lunchtime, because the maintenance work will start when the machine is stopped. So during the production is not there, like generally during the lunchtime they are doing the activities, and they are focusing on the technical aspect of that machines. So how we can improve the machine, and how we can replace the parts of that machine. So as a engineer, you will be under you there are many diploma holders, they are working. So just you have to guide them like how the things can be managed, and they can solve the issues. So after these things, but one drawback is there, you have to come in festival holidays also, because during the holidays only we can do these activities. So maintenance things are that. Coming to quality, this is also one of the good department, what I can say, because you can see, you can learn many related part inspection qualities, you can go through CPCPK. Then there are different machines are there, like you can manage whatever you're learning right now, like cylindricity, roundness, parallelism. So all the things will be covered. You can see everything will be important for you, because whatever you are learning right now, that will be helpful for you here, related to geometric tolerances, like what is the tolerance, what is the limit, why the part is going out of spec. So these things they will highlight this here, and they will come to maintenance manufacturing, because whether it is related to machine, or it is related to operator, or it is related to uh, this method, what method they are using. So that only I highlighted here as like man, method, machine, material. So coming to supply chain, so supply chain is not much technical, just we they have to manage the material things. So on this is one of the management things. But as a technical, you will not be able to learn, but you can go for it, like you have to manage the material things, material management things. Plant safety, this is also you want to focus on the plant safety, whether the operators wear the PPE kits. So method, the operator is properly following all the methods or not, or he is taking the shortcut method for achieving the target. So that is not the right manner. Machine, the during operation time, the machine should be locked. So the safety person, he will monitor all the things. If any issue, then he will highlight to the top management. IT is, this is generally like CS and IT background, because it is related to computer work only. They will solve the system issue or server issue if they available in the plant during shop floor activities. Utilities also, this is like management thing. Like you want to manage the air management system or coolant management system in plant. Finance and analytics, this is also, this sector is for MBA, or it is for all the backgrounds. uh, you can go for that machine, or like it will be like approval process only, you will be like system work only, you will go through it. And you have to manage the demand analysis, you will be having coordination between sales team and the technical team, like what is the demand in the plant, and how you can keep as a backup vehicles for uh, like a backup. So if any demand is there, based on that they will do the production. Coming to sales and marketing, this is much more scope for MBA or who are doing management courses. So they will manage the dealers, and they will do the marketing and advertisement things here. So they will deal with the dealers, like how many cars they are selling, or what is the rating. So based on that they will give the ratings to the dealers. So you will do proper advertisement and proper training to the dealers. So it is totally management work. Coming to R&D, this is one of the good sector which team can focus. It is related to totally for design and verification and product validation of that part. So coming to engines, so in an engine also there are many parts. So if any part having issue or warranty issue in the field, so how we can improve that part, they have to do any research work and testing and analysis for that part. So the team can focus on these things, because this is, I think this is one of the best things, because I have done in MTech. So research work is very good thing. You can learn many things from here also. Can you hear me, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Yeah, so I have covered, I think, all the topics properly. Remaining, I don't think there is any other things I can tell in this. So just you can ask me any questions or feedback you have.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a novel and mind-broadening session. Now, let us move to a question and answer session. So, dear participant, please ask your question or put them in chat box.
Wait a minute, I'm not able to see that thing. I will stop sharing and then I will see the chat.
Sir, Vinayak Rao is asking. Yeah. What are the internship opportunities as a fresh graduate in automobile industry?
Yeah, what are the internship opportunities as a fresh graduate? Yes, there are many opportunities. What I told, like there are different departments. Once you enter in that department, like you can opt for that person. Like you can opt for production department, quality department, R&D. I don't think they are giving internship in R&D department, but in shop floor areas, you can work in that particular station. You can see how operators are doing all the things very well. Like so, there are different sections. Like in during my training time, also I've seen many internship students were there, like who were working with the operators. Like they were learning the things like in one of the stations. Like so, during transmission, there is separate gearbox station. Gearbox station is there where they are doing the gear assembly separately. So and you can visit all the plants properly. That is good thing for you. So there are different opportunities. You can apply through college, or you can apply through that the person who is working there. It depends on the, or you can go, or you can ask in to directly to HR if there are any opportunities for that. So there are opportunities, you can go for it, and that is a good thing. In Hyundai, there is one separate employee can refer that person for doing the internship there. So he will you have to provide the documents to that person, and he will just update that to HR. And if HR is there, because there are many students are there who are applying for internship, and based on that shortlisting criteria, they will come back and they will give the feedback, like you are shortlisted, you are selected for internship, and you can work for 2 months or 1 month as a internship student uh, in that area, that plant. Hope the query is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, Bhavya is asking what are the best career options in automobile industry?
Yeah, that I focus. So basically, for me, I like. One second, I will share the screen again. See, and just you have to enter very well in that automobile sector. Later point of time, based on the experience, you can also do internal shifting there. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, after I was like you only when I joined that automobile company. Like I was not knowing what are the departments. So initially, they will give the trainings to you. They will properly give the trainings to you that for each department, and based on that, you have to select that department. So it depends on you what type of work you like you want to do fully technically, you want to go for maintenance. Then if you want to go for management and basic technique like drawing study comparison things, management things, manufacturing is important. If you want to do focus on the output things, and you have to solve the issue daily, like daily reporting things, you can go for production. Quality also one of the good departments. So it depends on you what is your passion. Like so while during the training times only, you will come to know what is best for me. So entering is important. Later point of time, you will learn many things, and you will automatically choose your department during that time. And you can, after that also, you can switch that things within 1 or 2 years. You can switch your department also. There are options are available during your, because during that time you are in training. So during training, they will not expect anything from you. Just they will tell to focus on learnings only. After that, you can change your department also.
So Monica Sahu is asking, what are the questions asked in automobile interview?
Yeah, that only I focus on this thing previously, because I thought these things will come, that is important for you to know. So they will, if you are going in automobile company, definitely they will ask you on the IC engines. So whatever you are learning, you should know it very well. Like basic questions only they will ask related to process, like what are you learning, like types of process, and what the projects you have done in that in during your BTech and project and MTech project. It depends on you. Like if you are directly going after BTech, they will ask on the BTech major what you have done, and then internship questions will come, like what you have done in internship. So they want to just know like how technically sound you are, and how you will be able to manage the things while joining that company. So you should highlight on the basic things, the gate, what I told, like what are gate courses are there. So that things only it will be covering in here also. And they might ask you derivation also, like please derive these things, some basic derivation also they will ask you. Just properly you focus on the technical things. So whatever topics I have mentioned here, that things they will definitely ask, because generally they are asking these things. Machine design, theory of machines and IC engines are very important. You can go for it, like you can learn many things there. uh, so it will be good for you. Then you can easily cope up with the technical questions, whatever they are answering, questioning to you.
Yes, sir. There is a question by Shikhar Jaiswal. Every automobile industry has a test driver like Bugatti has Andy Wallace. No other driver spends so much time in a Bugatti. How can we approach such field like a test driver in being automobile giants?
Trash drivers, I have seen this field, but I'm not properly knowledgeable on that, because I have not seen this thing. So generally, as a trash driver, what I can say, there's a different background. Like so I don't think there is much technical things required. You have to be properly, the driving skills very well, and you have to focus on that things. And even that department is totally different. So even we can see, like based on the experience only they will take, like you have some professional experience, like 5 to 10 years, then only the company will take you on that thing. You have to focus on the, if you want to go in this career, that is different career. uh, so I don't think there will be much technical thing, rather than it will be going for professional driving skills for you. Hope Shikhar, you're clear.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Yes,
such a, we are really grateful for this presentation, sir. It was nothing short of incredibly informative and interesting. Sir, my question is, sir, you are currently in this intriguing automobile field and have vigilantly seen the market industries and the challenges that related to it, sir. So what do you think about the future possibilities about this industry? Will it boom or it will remain stagnant in the country like India? And we as an automobile sector aspirants, on what domains we should focus to sustain in this huge competition, and what should we learn other than conventional subjects that are taught in our college, that are taught in our colleges? And sir, please light us in a brief, and what are the extracurricular skills we required other than conventional skills, sir? Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Pulkit, for asking this question. I think that is very important thing. Rather, depending on the technical, like whatever we are learning, we should focus on the extracurricular things. But that also technical, like what I told, like related to Six Sigma. Six Sigma is one of the courses you can do in Coursera, or there are different sites which you can opt for that Six Sigma technology, because uh, it will be like a keyword for in a resume, like because the resume will be shortlisted based on the what you are writing in that things. So you can focus on the Six Sigma things. You can focus on the design softwares, which I highlighted in my PPT. I will share this PPT. If you I will forward this PPT to you, Pulkit. You can forward this to all the juniors, so they will be properly aware on things what they want to work on. Now the electric vehicles are coming, so we should focus on the analytics courses also, because the future is for analytics. And in coming future, it will be totally like properly, like technical as well as in the analytics, the team, the vehicles will play. So 1 second, I will share the PPT which I have shared previously. After that, you should focus on the robotics courses. What I told, you can participate in the robotics courses. You can make your extracurricular POR, like a position of responsibility, as a technical CV. You should focus on all the things. Just I want to show the things. 1 second. I want to show you my resume, but I can't share you these things because this is totally personal to me. But I can show you here. Just you go through it and how you can make
Sure,
yours.
sir.
It will be good for you.
Sir, demand had already come, sir, for your presentation. 2, 3 students have messaged me already, sir.
So can you see my resume?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
So you just I have focus on the things what I feel like based on the experience I have mentioned, professional summary, then work experience. So these things will not come in yours. It will be coming from here, like relevant interest and courses, then academics, then academic projects. So I have what I've done. I have make one single resume, 1 page resume. So you also want to focus on that things rather than going for 1-2 page. So you will cut these sections from you because you are freshers. So you will focus on all the below things. So you want to highlight major things on your projects. So what you're learning in your projects, you can mention that thing. Then you can focus on the internship. So I want to cover everything in one resume, 1 page. So that's why I have highlighted as a one liner here. But for you, it can be 3 liners, 4 liners. It depends on you. So, and there is separate section for technical skills. You can see, like I have mentioned, like whatever I learned, I have mentioned here proper, like for software. Lab exposure, this is related to MTech projects, what I have done. So I have mentioned here that things. This long-term courses, what I have done in during my MTech in IIT Kanpur, I have done this extracurricular activities. That is, I thought it will be helpful for me. So I learned some basic German language also during my study time. Short-term courses, you can go for this geometric dimensioning tolerances, Six Sigma, and data science basic, industrial automation. There are many courses related to automobile. You can just browse it and you will get that courses. So this makes something as a keywords. So if HR is going through that, he can shortlist you for interview or written test. So you should focus on the besides academics, because I think maximum all are good in academics during applying for that time, because during my MTech time, I think many are brilliant students are coming there. So beside this is also plus point you should focus on. Coming to, I have taken parts in other activities also because there are culture events, there are technical events. So you have to show like you have to highlight the points, keywords, like I have managed this much person, these were persons were working under me, and I was the coordinator for this activity. So just you have to play in that resume, and you have to review the draft again while applying for that particular company. So once you have made your resume, then you have to show to some other person, like whether it is okay. If any improvement is there, you can ask him. So after reviewing more than 10 times, your resume will be very perfect, and you can apply all the other companies based on the uh, background, like what they want, based on the R&R, because they will mention the R&R, like as a product engineer or development engineer. Then you have to focus on that particular keywords in your resume, like how you can turn that things in your resume, or you can change the things while during applying time. So I thought I should update you on this. Coming to, hope Pulkit, you are clear, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Just I want to highlight, this is one of my company project, what we are doing as a product development engineer. So like this is the final phase. You can see one part is there, like it is a bracket. So this designing of this bracket, like from this is one of the important part. I want to localize it, like from import supplier to local supplier. So I was focusing on this thing, like how we can manufacture same part during in our locals with local supplier. So I want to go with the drawing study and everything, and I want to update this to local supplier. Local supplier, there is other department like purchase, they will give the supplier name, then our technical team, product development R&D team, they will contact that person, and they will tell like we want like this manufacturing, and how we will able to manufacture this part. So there will be like query sections will be there. Then he will manufacture some proto parts, some proto parts he will manufacture, and he will give back to company. So after that we will do some analysis, there will be some analysis test will be there. You can see like this is one of the engine, and it is for Saran engine plant for Ford. So the supplier was from outside, like it is from Europe supplier. We are localizing to PHA, Chennai supplier. So this part has gone to different testing. It was component level testing, like addition, film thickness, then corrosion testing is there, chip resistant test is there. So every test it has to go. If all the results are okay, then we will go for final implementation of this part. So these are the two tests which we are doing, like critical speed test and global exhaust test. So based on the parts, the test has been decided, we want to go for this, we want to go for that. So we want to check everything, during vibration, if any crack is coming during, or any leak is coming, or the part and have any issue in the movement, or so everything we need to check. If all okay, then it will be like okay signal for the part, and it will go for implementation. So this test was done in America during that time, and I was following with that engineer during the testing time, like if everything is okay or not. So in engine they are putting this part, and they will do the testings. They will run at 117 hours and different RPMs. So they will run this particular part, and they will check all okay, or if there is any issue in the part. So just for a reference, I thought I should share you like what has to be done, what we are doing. Beside this, there are different parts are there, not one part. So this is the American engineer, what I was telling to you, and then she will confirm like if all okay, then it will go for approvals, and directly will cost coming to here us. So there are different teams are there, what I mentioned. So it is like teamwork, and for each team there are different arenas, and they have to focus on that arenas. So if you want to enter in the automobile sectors, what I mentioned, like you have to focus on these skills, especially designing skills. That is important for you, because if something they're asking on that thing, you should know it very well. Afterwards, the robotics and machine learning, what I told, this also playing important role in electric vehicles which are coming to India, and there is much scope in India, because by 2025, even Tata told like these things will come, and they will set up the electric charging stations every area, like each of the metropolitan cities, and all the special areas. So you should focus on this thing, because it is one of the good sectors. There are many companies. You will learn many things. There are many different scopes are there. Especially R&D department, I like it, because you will learn many things there, rather than going for design, and you will be doing what you are learning now in design things, like whatever software you are using, that will be coming to play during that time, and you will be analyzing the 3D model, and you can identify the issue, and you can solve the problem with the team on that. Team, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello, Sagar. How are you?
Yeah, hello, sir. Sir, I was missing you, sir. Yeah, yeah, sir. I learned
Sagar,
from Manisha
I have a
only. Yeah,
question.
yeah, sir.
I have
Yeah.
a question, Sagar. Most of our students are working on the automobile project, which is based on IC engine, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, are we going in a right way, right path? Because fuel prices are rising very rapidly nowadays.
No, sir, we are going in the right direction. For India, I don't think it will take maximum 10 years to completely going in electric things. I don't think it will be totally electric will come. It will take time, because there is no any facilities from India side. Government is focusing on all the things, but it will take time, because from village to city, urban areas, I don't think it will be fully developed. It will take time, and the whatever we are doing right now, that is a good thing, sir. We should the students should focus on that thing, and they can continue whatever they are doing that projects. So it will be helpful for them. So during interview time, now they will be asking that questions only to them, because electric things will come later point of time. I think it is good option. They should opt for this project, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Sagar.
Yeah,
It was
thank
a
you, sir.
nice session.
Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah, thank you, team. Especially, I want to thank each the coordinators. Thank you, SSI PMT faculties, because I think whatever I learned from them only, that I have reached here. Without their support, I don't think I will be here. So I think the BTech was the mechanical was the main ladder for me to go reach at higher heights, opting for the MTech thing, and then I got the opportunity for this for automobile sector. So basically, I will give my credit totally to our best faculties from Shankara Raipur. Thank you very much, sir, Akash sir, Manish sir. Even Taranjit sir is not here. I want to thank him also, Atul sir, Naveen Jain sir. So all, I think as a student, I think my total credit, I think it will go to you only, because I learned small basic things from you, and from that only I have reached here. Thank you, sir.
सागर इनिशियली आई वाजंट एबल टू कनेक्ट विथ यू। मैं सुन जरूर रहा था तुमको, लेकिन थोड़ा सा पब्लिक प्लेस में था, बैकग्राउंड में डिस्टर्बेंस था, इसलिए मैं अपने आप को म्यूट में ही रखा था। सेशन पूरा बहुत अच्छा से तुमने ऑर्गेनाइज किया, ठीक है। और ऑटोमोबाइल ऐसा सेगमेंट है जिसके बारे में हमको स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत सारा जानने की इच्छा रहती है, लेकिन तुमने इस कॉम्पैक्ट शेड्यूल में बहुत सारे अच्छे डोमेन्स कवर किए और बहुत सारी क्वेरीज को सक्सेसफुली आंसर किया। So many congratulations to you on our behalf, from our behalf.
Thank you, sir. One of the things I thought somebody will ask me, but I think nobody has asked, but I thought I should share you some, you might be hearing this news, like Ford is closing his plant, then how sir is giving the lecture here. So what I want to tell, on this, Ford is not closing full plant. Okay, Ford is closing it. I have one official notification from Ford also. Ford is closing its vehicle plant, not engine plant. So engine plant will be continuing, and they are focusing on the electric vehicles, because you can see that market demand. So based on the demand, they are reducing because the plant has the capacity of producing the 4 lakh vehicles, but the demand is for like 80,000. So it is a loss to Ford. They are not getting the good returns what they want to focus. So what they are targeting, they are focusing on the electric things, and they are focusing on the engine export. So currently they will manufacture the engines at Sarand, Gujarat, Ahmedabad plant, and they will export that engines to Thailand vehicle market. So Ford is not closing fully in India. They are closing their vehicle plants, but the customer things and the dealer things, it will be continuing, and they will get the servicing from a dealer side, and they are focusing on that things continuously. So, and even there is no any loss of job, you can see some rumors are coming, like employee will lose their job. So it is not like that. The permanent employees who are working there, they will be switched to global market. They will be managing the global market, like Europe market, South Africa market. There are different plants are there in Ford. So I think as a global brand, they are taking care of their employees very well. They know how to take care of their employees. If any person is getting at higher age, so they will give proper package to him, so at least there will be no any issues like that. So everything they are doing very well. So I think if you are going for any global brand, you can be like a job security job, it is like a proper security is there to your job. There will be no any risk you will lose your job. What will happen? So these things will not come. And as soon as you are getting higher experience, then definitely I don't think there will be any fear of losing the job. You can get many opportunities are there. So please don't be afraid, whatever things are going on, that things are for smoothing of that particular business. So they are focusing on the improvement of that business, and they are restructuring their business to change the employee position. They will go from production to different departments. There are different departments are there, like product development. Then there are some quality departments are there. Then there are some global departments are there. So they are focusing every department. Based on that only they are taking the decision. So avoid the rumors, just focus on what you are doing and what you are selecting. That is a good thing. You should opt for it, and it will be like a great future for you. I am telling you, I am guaranteeing you. So just go for it. I think based on the higher experience, you will learn many things, and automatically you will be able to correlate like what you want to do and how you want to switch from one sector to other sector. So previously, while I was in Hyundai, I was not knowing I will be in Ford. So based on the opportunities I have received, then I directly got a call like there is a vacancy. There is a sir, you want to work with us? Like, so automatically the calls will come to you based on your skill set and what are your learnings. So you have to go for your learnings. Then only your market value will be increased. So you can opt for it.
So
ओके
these
सागर,
are
गुड टू नो अबाउट दिस इन डिटेल. जो मीडिया सोर्सेज में आता था वो हमारे पास शायद अधूरा न्यूज रहता था. यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन टू टेल अबाउट दिस इन क्वाइट सम.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
और सागर, लास्ट नाइट मैं अपनी वाइफ से बात कर रहा था, तो शी आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डोंट पीपल परचेस फोर्ड कार्स, फोर्ड मोटर्स. जनरली हम देखते हैं कि इंडिया रूरल एरियाज में क्या होता है, वो महिंद्रा का बोलेरो हो गया या मारुति सुजुकी स्विफ्ट हो गया, बट फोर्स कोई खरीदता नहीं. उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा, इट माइट बी फनी, लेकिन अब आप सामने हो तो आप आंसर दे दीजिए क्योंकि मैं उस टाइम आई वाज टोटली स्पीचलेस कि मैं आंसर क्या करूं. तो
नहीं सर,
इसका
रीजन ये है कि लोग एक्सटीरियर पर फोकस करते हैं, लाइक हुंडई एंड मारुति. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर डूइंग द मेकअप, लाइक मेकअप ऑफ द व्हीकल. लाइक आप एक्सटीरियर को इम्प्रूव कर दोगे, लेकिन इनसाइड में क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है कंपेयर टू फोर्ड. फोर्ड की जो कार्स आप एक बार ड्राइव करके देखोगे तो उसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है सर. उसका बाहर का एक्सटीरियर ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन उन लोग, वो अमेरिकन की गलती है कि वो इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं कर रहे. तो इसके लिए रीजन ये है कि फोर्ड्स आर somewhat expensive but their quality is very good. Like if you are trying one Ford vehicle, you will be able to know, sir. Comparing, so Indians mentality is there like that, so they are focusing on the exterior and what vehicle is cheap, like whatever they are getting good, like yeah, it is looking good, yeah, the price is also very economic, and they will opt for it. So it depends on market to market conditions. Like if in US this same company is like second number, like it is like largest seller there. So it depends on market to market. Like in village area they will focus on this economic things. In urban area also they will. So Indian mentality is like that. They will go what is cheap, what is economic, and so that's why sales are less. Like for not for Ford, especially other market also, like Mercedes is there, Skoda is there. So different good car companies are, global brands are there, like General Motors is there. So if they are not opting for this, then there will be less market for demand for Ford, sir. So we can't change that thing. We need to change the mentality of our customers, or we should, or Ford can change the design. That is also good.
थैंक यू सागर, थैंक यू सो मच.
I have given my contact number also. If anything, you can ask me, you can mail me. Maybe Pulkit, you can share to the team. Like if any further queries are there, they can just put me mail, or directly they can call me also on that.
Sure, sir. I will do with your presentation along with your PPT, sir.
So these are answer of all our questions. Now I am inviting Manish Sahu to give a vote of thanks to this wonderful session.
Thank you, Mokshita. I am Manish Sahu on the behalf of Nightingale Engineering Association. Take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the meaningful session. We would like to convey our heartiest thanks and gratitude to Sagar sir for such an informative session, which not only acquainted us in a divergent path, but also become an inspiration for all of us. Sir, your session was really a fruitful one, and at the end of this, we emerge better informed in this domain. Sir, you have led by example for all of us. We also thank our HOD sir, Dr. Naveen Jain, the event coordinator, Mr. Akash Soni sir, for being the main stage of the event. All the faculty members for being a part of this session, all student coordinator, and the technical team which comprises of Pulkit Nayak, Mokshita Verma, Vinayak Rao, Shikhar Jaiswal, and myself. We look forward to connect with you all during our next event coming soon. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, Sagar, looking forward to see you soon.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much,
Okay,
sir.
Thank you.
okay.